Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on online language tests with EF, beginner guide step by step clearly. To save on online language tests with EF, start by visiting the official EF website. Look for the section dedicated to language tests. Explore the available test options that suit your language needs. Pay attention to any ongoing promotions or discounts listed on the site. Create an account if you don't already have one to access exclusive offers. Consider signing up for the EF newsletter for updates on special deals. Take advantage of any referral programs they might offer. Invite friends or family members to join, which can sometimes earn you discounts. Check for seasonal sales during holidays or back-to-school periods. Review the package deals. Bundling tests may result in savings. Study the good practices EF recommends for test preparation. This can help ensure you're ready, potentially reducing the need for retakes. Evaluate the terms and conditions of any offer to maximize your savings. Commit to a study schedule so you can complete your test confidently. After taking the test, make sure to review your results through the platform. Utilize the feedback provided to improve further without incurring extra costs on retests. By following these steps, you can effectively save on online language tests with EF. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.